MEPER plastic blow molding machine is specialized in processing all kinds of plastic hollow products with high molecule. It is suitable for producing hollow products from 5 milliliters to 100 liters. These products include bottles, pots, jars, barrels, toys, toolboxes, bed boards, desk boards, chairs, auto parts, etc. It can not only blow different materials, such as PE, PP, PVC, PA, PC, PS and EVA, but also provide perfect finishing touches to your product. MP-70D is the machine specifically designed for making containers from 50 milliliters up to maximum 5 liters. It is hydraulic, driven with accurate electrical control system. MP-70D has double stations to increase the production efficiency. Also, it has variety of choice of die heads. With more than 10 years of success in the market, the MP-70D is updated to be one of the most reliable and popular model in the world.